two sentences. When I circle the word, I would like you to tell me what it is. Very fast. I'm going to be really fast today. Ready? Ready?
Read.
Okay, so we did latch, was, are. What's this one? Okay, ready? Latch. Are. Was. Latch. Was. Not. Latch. Are. Alright, you guys got me now. We're going to go and we're going to look at sentences today. You're going to get out your pencil. And I'm going to pass out this paper after we look up here. So just be patient and we're going to... Okay, using periods. Today we're going to look at when we use a period. Go ahead, Jen. There is a cat at the door. I'm telling you that there is a cat at the door. So what goes at the end? A period. All right, let's read the next sentence. We went to school, period. Later, we went to the park, period. Do you see where they put the periods? Everyone's looking up here? Okay, at the end of a sentence, you put a period. The clock says it is time to eat lunch, period. There are chickens on the farm. Where do I put the period at in that one? Raise your hand if you can tell. Yes, Eastland has chickens at her house, doesn't she? Where does the period go? Does the period go here or does the period go over here? Raise your hand if you can tell me. There are chickens on the farm. After the word farm, it goes at the end, right? It would go right there. So our period would need to go right here. We feed the rabbit. The rabbit eats lettuce. Where would the period go there? Okay, after lettuce. That is a sentence there. Look at how this is capitalized though. So what do you think has to happen before that capitalized T? That uppercase T. We feed the rabbit, period. The rabbit eats lettuce. So there was a clue there. We need the uppercase T there. We need to make sure that we have a period coming before that letter. Sit down, please. And let's read the last one. I went to the fair on my birthday. Do we need a period here?
No.
How about at the end? Yes. I went to the fair on my birthday. Now we are going to get our paper called To the Point. And let me find, it's page 54. You're going to put your name at the top. Name up at the top. Name at the top. Name at the top. Always start with your name. Writing your name at the top, right? Thumbs up if your name is at the top. All right, go ahead, PJ. Okay, name at the top. Let's get started. To the point. A period is a mark at the end of a telling sentence. So if I tell you something, we put a period. Who can read this first sentence? Try to sound it out and see if you can read that. and down. Look at all those sight words in there that we know. I like to jump up and down. Am I telling you something? Yes, I'm telling you that I like to jump up and down. So it needs a period at the end. I want you to circle the period at the end. Circle the period.
With a pencil?
Yep, with your pencil.
It kind of looks
Good.
like an eye.
And see if you can read number 2. See if you can read number 2 while you're waiting for your friends. We was the first word. What's this next word? When. Park. Today. So let's read that together. We went to the park today. I'm telling you, we went to the park today. So I want you to circle the period. Circle the period. Now we're coming down to number 3. See if you can read those words. What's this first word?
She
went down the slide. Okay, so let me ask you something. Am I asking you a question or am I telling you something? I'm telling you that she went down the slide. So what goes at the end of that sentence?
Nothing.
What goes at the very end of the sentence? Come on up. A period. So draw your period right at the end of that sentence there. She went down the slide. Period. And see if you can read the next one. What's that first word? He hopped over the box. He hopped over the box. Am I telling you something?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm telling you he hopped over the box. So what goes at the end of my sentence?
Period.
We're so good at these because we do these every day in journals, so we know how to do this. Now we're going to write a telling sentence. We're going to start with an uppercase letter and put a period at the end. I'm looking around to see who's sitting nicely in their chair. We're going to write our own sentence. And I'm going to tell you something when we write it.
Without you writing anything?
I'm going to write, and let's see if you can finish the sentence on your own. I'm going to start with an uppercase letter. I can see the Now you have to come up with a word to finish the sentence. You can either, it might be a word you know already and you can write it, or maybe it's a word you have to sound out and make the sounds. And I'm going to come around and help you. I can see the, you're going to write it. What goes at the end though? What do you have to make sure you put?
Period.
A period at the very end. So when you're done with your sentence, I'm going to come and see if you need help writing the word, or if you do not need help writing the word, if you wrote a period at the end. I'm going to walk around and check everyone's papers out.